When you want the horizontal space in a table to be divided evenly among the columns in the table, you'll love this quick tip. When it's time to format a table, you may find that your overall table width is set the way that you want it, but the columns within the table are not just right. For instance, you may want the columns to be the same width as each other without disturbing the overall width of the table. I'm going to place the insertion point within this table. It doesn't matter where I place it there. And then I'll display the Table Layout tab of the ribbon. Note this tool in the Cell Size group. It's called Distribute Columns. In fact, you can see that if you hover it over the tool. All I need to do is click this tool once, and Word dutifully adjusts the individual column widths without affecting the overall width of the table. In my experience, I find the Distribute Columns tool a great help in providing a starting point for how I want my table to finally appear. Let's say that I want to put a table down here. Well, if I go to the Insert tab of the ribbon, choose Table, and then I specify that, I want the table to be this size. Well, Word uses the full margin-to-margin size for the width of that table. Chances are good, though, that I want my table to be narrower. So all I do is I drag this right border and drag it in to say, okay, I want my table to be 5.5 inches right there, like I can see up on the ruler. Well, now my cell widths are not exactly like I want them to be. The insertion point is within the table, so all I have to do is go over to Distribute Columns again, and now they're all the same size because it's divided that table width by the number of columns that I have within that table. The tool just provides a quicker way to get to my ultimate goal for the table. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.